This Mental Health Awareness Month, the Greensboro man is raising funds for mental health services with a charity bike ride this Saturday. Ronald Jones is the founder of the R.J. Strong Foundation. In 2019, Jones became ill due to a clot in his left leg and had to undergo 9 different surgeries. In the process, he lost 2 of his toes.
But laying there in the hospital bed, and as those healthcare workers were taking care of me with such care, people that I didn't even know, I could see how overwhelmed at times they were and the mental strain that they were under. So it fell on me then, when I get well, I want to do something to bring attention to this.
That's when he had the idea to start the Pedaling for Mental Health charity bike ride. A portion of the proceeds will benefit Atrium Health Wake Forest Baptist Behavioral Health Division and the Brenner Children's Mental Health Fund. Jones says he hopes the ride will encourage others to consider cycling to balance mental and physical health.
People in your family who live these stressful lives that we live and sometimes need help and need to talk to someone to get through it. And because of the stigma and the negative connotations of that, they sometimes suffer and don't get help.
Saturday's ride will start at 8 a.m. at Ragsdale High School in Jamestown. Participants can sign up for a 60-mile, 30-mile, or 12-mile route. This is the first year of this event. It's $30 to register. For more information, just look for this story on our website. I just love this idea, Chad, of combining the physical with the mental health. You know, we talk a lot about our physical health, but it's just as important to make sure that we are right and that we are strong inside as well.
It's also incredible to me that, you know, some people go through some things that are so challenging, and to try to come out of that, they create something like this, where they create a way to help raise awareness, but also money to, you know, to get people more on board and help them better understand situations.
And making it more aware, because I believe that everyone deals with stress or pressures to some extent, some more than others, but there's still a taboo-ness about it. And I think the more that we continue to talk about it, I know throughout the COVID pandemic, a lot of people have been talking about mental health more, but the more we do these stories, the more that we do events like this to raise money for these services, the more and more people might go out and seek the help that they need.
Well said.